Hey guys, Chris here with Worksport truck bed covers, and in this video today we're going to show you how to replace your front retainer clamps on your AL3. First step is to fold the cover back. Next step is to loosen the retainer clamp knob. Once both retainer knobs have been loosened up, slide the hardware in towards the middle of the bed slightly. Next, we're going to fold the cover back to the shut position, and then we're going to flip this first panel back so we have access to the hardware. This next step will be repeated on the driver and passenger side. We're going to finish unscrewing the knob and remove the old hardware. There's the old retainer clamp. We're going to retain the flat washer, install the new retainer clamp, add your flat washer back, and just thread the knob on just a couple times. Once we've swapped out both retainer clamps, slide your hardware in slightly and fold the lid back up towards the cab. What we're going to show you in this next step is how to reinstall your retainer clamp. Grab your retainer clamp and slide it underneath the bed rail lip. Ensure that you're not just grasping the plastic bed cap on the bottom side, that it is getting all the way underneath and grabbing the metal on the back side, and you're going to hand tighten the knob back up. Come to the outside edge of the cover and lift up. If you have any movement in the panel, you need to continue to tighten your knob. If there's no movement, your knob's tight enough. Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions regarding how to swap out those front retainer clamps on your AL3, please give our customer service department a call at 1-888-554-8789 or shoot us an email at customerservice@worksport.com. Thanks guys, and have a great day.